Reconstruction is an important step towards providing the people of Gaza with the prospect of returning to a semblance of normal life. Hopefully, it is soon possible. The EU conducted an assessment in April, together with the World Bank and the United Nations, finding out that we would need $71.4 billion to rebuild the Palestinian enclave. Reconstruction must go far beyond rebuilding roads, hospitals and schools. It must restore hope and the foundation of a lasting peace. And the European Union is already the largest humanitarian donor to the Palestinians. It has to be mentioned. However, reconstruction also needs accountability. And therefore, I think the terror organization of Hamas cannot play any role in the future of Gaza. The European Union must still support a two-state solution, enabling Palestine and Israel to coexist.